In this video, we will look at the data collection and template filling process for the trade license document attachment. Alongside rates, the trade license application process requires the applicants to upload certain documents as an attachment of proof. The proof can be defined by a set of documents required for identification proof, trade premises proof, and other miscellaneous documents. The type of documents required could vary across the states and ULBs and is also dependent on the applicable trade subtypes. Download the data template. As we can see on the screen, there are 6 columns: serial number, trade subtype code, trade subtype name English, application type, document 1, and document 2. Identify the different trade license document attachment details before you start filling the template. After filling the data into the template, use the checklist to ensure the data filled is accurate by going through each and every checklist entity and comparing the data. We hope this video has helped you understand the provided template and how to fill data accordingly.